Greetings, Mark Boney. Welcome to Basic Tutorial for Beginners Part 3. Right, in Part 2, we actually look and see how we can merge and center and all that. So right here in Part 3, what we're going to be looking at, insert pie chart and add data label to it, add column in the spreadsheet, put a border around range of cell, delete a column in the sheet, insert a blank spreadsheet, rename the spreadsheet, add color to the name of the spreadsheet. So this is exactly what we're going to be looking at right here, right, in our spreadsheet. So definitely we're going to get going, right? And I want you to pay close attention to this particular area, right? And how we're going to actually do this particular area. Right, so very important. Right, here we're going to bring up the spreadsheet. So add a pie chart. So since I actually have this already, we're going to block it just like that. And notice when you block it, what you want it to do, you come right up here right to the insert tab. If you notice right over here, it's a chart. So you're going to click right here. That's where the pie chart is. So this is a different type of pie chart. When you click it, it's a add data label. If you notice, nothing is right there. Now to add data label, you're going to put the cursor right on it. You're going to right click. When you right click, you notice you're going to come right and say add data label right here. You notice for this arrow here, come to your right, right? You notice add data label. I click it, so this is where you actually add data label. So you can actually come like that, size it down, look small. I can actually put it out here so for the time being. Very important. The next thing is to add column in the spreadsheet. So you're going to add column in the spreadsheet, right? So I want a column right in between these, right? I'm going to click right here. So when I click, I'm going to right click right here. Notice this instead is insert. So I'm going to click on insert. When I click on insert, it's a shift cell down, right? It's a shift cell up. It's a shift cell to the right, shift cell down, right? Enter entire row, enter entire column. But this is what when I click on entire row, I'm going to click. Alright, you notice you give me an extra row. Alright, so you're going to go back right here, but what you want is the column. So you're going to right click, and you're going to click on insert again, and then you're going to click entire column, and you're going to click. If you notice, it give you a blank column right in between there. If I put the cursor right here and click in between, right, just and I right click again, click on insert, and then say entire column, and then click OK. You notice there's a column in between them right here. Very important, right? The next thing again, so put a border around a range of cell. Alright, so next thing you want to do, put a range of cell. Alright, so definitely if I click right here and I come like this, right, and come like this, right, that's a range of cell. Right, so I want to put border. Now what I wanted to do, I'm going to come right as a font. So I'm going to click right here. You notice I want to put outside. I click border right here. Alright, so I'm going to click. I'm going to put that border color. You notice there's a border around it, just like that. So at the beginning, that's how you do it. Right here shows I can delete a column from the spreadsheet. Alright, so definitely I'm going to delete a column. I'm going to click right here. I'm going to delete this blank one. I'm going to right click. That's a right click. It says delete. You're going to click on delete. Alright, if you notice right here, entire row, shift, right, and column, we're going to click on that and click. You notice the column gone. So if I click back right here and I right click and I click on delete, right, and this is the one entire column, click on that, and there you go. You notice there's no space in between them again. Alright, very important. This is insert a blank sheet. Right, so what you want to insert a blank sheet. Notice you're going to come right here and click. Notice it's a blank sheet right here, the plus. And I click back right here, sheet one. You actually go right there, the back to where you were, right here. Right, so now so rename the sheet. Alright, so we're going to rename the sheet. You're going to put the cursor point, you're going to right click. Right click, notice this says reverse sheet. Right, so I can say March, just like that, and press enter on that one. Alright, so this is where you actually rename the sheet. Alright, next thing you want to do, add color to the name of the spreadsheet. So I'm going to click right here. If I come right here, I'm going to right click on it. And if you notice, color, there's a tab color. Right, you can actually choose a color. I'm going to choose red. If you notice, you see it, but if I click over here, so you notice it show you bright. Come right here, you notice it show you. And if I come right over in the sheet 2, we're going to put some color also to this one. Notice you see color show up here, but if I come all the way over here, it actually show up just the same. So thanks for watching. See you in part 4.